Yes, yes, we can hear you.
We can hear your cough.
Can hear your voice.
Yeah, it's recorded now.
Yes, started.
Okay.
This a recap
Huh?
about EDT, right?
Yeah, recap. So, where we will work in. So first is the 1 minute. The subject is about moving
Doing hand model to
from HANA models to ABAP report, right?
yes.
So first is the create the HANA models like calculation and view. For example, second is to create hmm,
Your voice, Drew.
voice.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, now it's okay. First is to create HANA models, calculation view. Then the second is create what?
Uh,
Hmm?
For ABAB, you mean?
Yes,
Dictionary view.
dictionary.
dictionary.
You
Yes.
using
ABAB ADT.
EDT.
Mm.
Okay. ABAP development tool. Then third,
Then
eight,
query.
Very.
ABAP
ABAB query.
query what? ABAP query info set.
Info set variant.
Oh, query what? This is a report. Info set after info set. Hmm? Sign what?
Variant.
No,
Var- huh?
fra.
Afra gun
Yes, yes, I'm
to the
here.
cloud. Yes.
Mhm.
I thought you
What's the
have been
next?
toilet.
After info set, create or
Afra help.
assign.
Because there
Create
is
or
noise
assign.
here. I want to mute it.
Oh, create and assign what? Info set.
Sound
Oh,
to query. No.
ah,
Yes.
user group.
User
Okay.
group.
Then create
Then
query using the info set. Correct? You make the query now. Then you have the query. After making query, create custom transaction code. Correct? Now, which one will create transport here?
Peter number 3 and number 5. They
Hmm,
are not the same.
what do you think?
Um,
Hmm?
I forget the number 3. What was it?
Info set.
User
Hmm?
group pala. Very.
Tab query report. What's the difference?
Info set.
3
What's
and
the
5.
difference? I will tell you. This one using what? Using SQ02, right? T code. This one using SQ01. Still no clue?
Um,
Using SQ03. No clue? Info set. What's the difference between info set and query?
mhm.
Hmm?
Query is
I will put like this query report. Then you
for
are
T code.
query. This one is query. This is info set. What's the difference?
Query is for T code.
Yeah, will be consumed by the T code.
Yeah,
And
info set
what is info set?
is model
Yes,
consuming the model.
assuming the
Model
dictionary view.
in a review. Ah,
Mm.
okay.
Remember the info set where you are making this changing of the field names. You are deleting the table name.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
You forget?
Got it.
We
Forgot.
will see.
Yes, yes, no, I remember it now.
Now you remember.
Mm.
Now where we are making the transport request. I will ask you now because here in number
Or six.
7
Or
we
six.
will release transport request.
After
Oh,
creation
using
transaction code.
which the code? S
Release. Wait, wait,
E.
wait.
Okay. S M is E is U.
SMTS.
Ah,
What is it? Transport request.
yes.
SC09.
SE09. This is in dev.
Yes. Release.
And here, number 8, import transport request using,
Import in class, right?
yes,
STMS import. T code.
very good.
Yay.
Do you want me to include the HANA model also, the import, if you want?
Yes.
If you
Okay, okay.
want,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
standard way, not
Yes, yes.
the one we make now. Standard way is create HANA models, correct?
Hmm.
Then dictionary view, this is okay. It will create here, will create new transport request, correct? From here, you need to create new transport request. You are with me?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
When this will happen? When this will happen? I just try to refresh you before we will go in the live activity.
Mm.
We'll create new transport request. Is it?
Okay.
Is it? Is it? No.
Create dictionary review
Yeah, I'm
using.
No
wrong.
one.
Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Why? When it will happen? When it will happen that you will create a new transport request during dictionary view? During
Uh,
during ah,
during what?
during saving. When you save, system will
Yes. It
ask
will
you.
ask for
a transport.
Yes.
So you have to create new, correct? Then
Okay.
then you have a transport request here already, correct? From here you have already the transport request. Then you create the info set, you create user group. Now here we will add number 6, import what? Subquery objects means info set user group and query into the transport request. Am I right? Correct or wrong?
Yes.
Sure.
إن شاء الله.
Sure.
You heard what?
No, you need to import it to the, you created a transport request here, right? This is the first
Yes.
time you create. Then
Yes.
you created these objects.
Mm.
These objects needs to be imported to the class also, right?
Hi.
You need to bring this to class. So in order to bring this to class, you have to import. Import means you have to put these objects into this transport request. Correct? From, say from point number
Very cool.
2. You are with me or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then here, create custom transaction code. Here we will what? Also import the custom T code into the TR. Also, right?
So it consists 3.
Correct?
3 transport.
Are
Okay.
you with me? No. You are talking about one transport only. This one.
With all the details, huh?
Correct? One transport only. Create new, then here you import means you put this object into this. This object. Again, you are creating new custom T code. You need to import that also in the same transport.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay.
My question here, Loreto or Afra,
Mhm.
when will this happen? You do it manually or it will come by itself or what? When you create custom T code.
No,
Afra,
we do it صح manually.
You're not sure.
Yes.
You're
Yes.
guessing.
No, I remember you did
What?
it for me صح?
Okay.
When we create the T
When
code.
it will happen? When it will happen? During what?
creation of transaction code.
Yes. When you save. The same here. When you
Okay.
save it, it will ask you for a transport
Uh,
request because
will
you are creating object in ABAP. So every time you create an object in ABAP, it will ask you
you need to accept.
for transport.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here it will ask you again. Then you have to import this one in the or include. Let's say not import, include. Include in the include the custom T code to the transport request. Here, import. It's okay. This is where it happens, this query objects. When it will happen, how to import? Hmm? Using SQ02 code. Correct?
Okay.
Now, one more. Before we release, you have to be careful before releasing. Releasing means you already lock the transport request, means you cannot do anything now.
Mm,
So what is missing here is we need to
the
include the HANA view, model views in the transport request using which the code. Somebody tell me which the code.
include the HANA view in the transport request using
Oh, mushkila.
Environment queries.
Huh? Which?
wait,
Yeah.
I remember
Ah,
SCTS
ah, okay, very
صح؟
good.
HT something
Hmm?
CTS HTA.
HTA.
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Now, how many objects you have now in your transport request?
Objects.
The
Three,
HANA model.
7.
The 7? Why 7? No.
3, 3.
The HANA and the query and the info set صح؟ Right?
Let's try to bring. This is one. Okay,
The dictionary
correct.
view. Okay.
Then 2, 3, 4. Then 5.
Code.
Then 6.
Oof.
Correct.
I don't know.
Now, this user group, it depends if it is new or existing,
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
but right? Because user group, sometimes usually we use a common user group, like what is the common user group, yeah, Afra?
HANA.
HANA, correct? We have a
Yes.
common. So
Yes.
HANA users or something like that. So it's a common. So usually we don't import it anymore. We just assign the info set.
Yes.
This is a good thing with this training now because you know already
Mm-mm. صح.
something something we get aligned already. Yeah, Afra, remember the first meeting we have in that Ahmad's room? You still don't have the idea, right?
Yes.
I was teaching about these things.
Now I'm becoming.
Okay, let's make an example. Live one. So this is the
So that's
standard way of doing the things, right?
after, sir, after cost, it will be the transport to the to production.
It's nothing. It's just 11 import to
PRD.
PRD, and everything will be there. The query, the T code, the
Same
model, the
same transport
same.
transport number.
Yes, you will have this transport request created here. Anyhow,
Mm.
let me put this in Word so we can have document also if you want. You want? Or I will just keep it myself. I'll sell it to you 50 real.
Per line.
No problem. You can call me anytime if you need help. And my
So
my PayPal is working.
international.
Yeah.
So, question, sir, if there's
Yes.
an update, like in the HANA
Ah,
model.
that's another thing. You need to pay another invoice. Crazy. We'll go to that. We'll go to that.
Okay.
We'll go to that as a next subject.
So if there
Because that 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 subject is also very important.
you will go through the whole process,
Updating.
or you will
Sure.
skip.
Hmm? Sorry.
If yeah, my question, if there's an update in HANA model, you will go through these steps again.
Sure. Sure.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Afra knows better.
Afra, you can.
She's
I
not
will ask
listening.
you later on.
What you are talking about? Sorry.
Hmm?
Yeah, I will ask for your help later on.
Sure.
He's asking uh, about
Updating.
update.
Update.
Yes. What will happen during update? What you will do? You have if you have an update.
Update for what?
You Afra. You Afra. Update for the any object. Depends on the update.
Ah.
Depends on the update.
Okay, okay, okay. I got it.
Okay. Okay, let's execute this one. Let's try to create a simple query. Simple one. No. We have a recorded session for Bex, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
How is Bex?
It's hand.
It's good?
Six.
Good.
Huh?
It's good.
Is it?
Yes.
You did not try, huh?
No.
You did not try. You did not try. Because if you
No
had
one
tried
asked.
it, if you no, you don't need to let someone else to ask you to make. It's your decision. It's your choice. Yeah.
But we
To
need to
explore it.
I know
exercise
you
a
did
bit.
not. I know you did not try because you did not come back to me and ask anything. If you if you ask me something, then I know that oh, this guy is doing something.
Yes.
Yes, you just keep on asking how to do.
No, we'll.
Oh, you will. I only have 3 days, by the way.
Of course.
I can ask you when you are in Philippines. We will call you.
That will cost you now. No problem. Anytime. Okay. Let's start from here. Finally, I got logged in. I don't know why it's not saving. Question is, what is the password? But valid user.
You're already locked out.
Possibly, I'm locked out. Very good. I don't know how many. James, pariset.
Then
Pariset sa Deb, Hana. Ano nga yun, Dim? RCGC? So this is recorded that I forgot the password. This is happening.
all the time. Normal.
So Ha? GC ata? I-set na lang, be. Fix. Limutan ko na.
Ano ka ata eh, nagpa-reset ka dati nung nagka-problema.
Kalimutan ko na. Forget. Ah. 3. 3. At. Okay. Oh. Where T at 1, 2, 3, 4. Where T at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Q W E R T Y at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then I will work where I am allowed to work. Dummy. Okay. Let us try to make what is this test star? I don't know. New. Let's set Z. Demo. Demo what?
EDT.
EDT. Okay. Calculation view. Cube. So what is our sample data? Put very complex. Put here Mara. Mara or what? Let's say
Bibik.
be back.
Way back.
Sales this is the area of Afra. Be back. And what's the pair? Afra.
Feedback.
Tell us.
Feedback.
Sorry.
Feedback.
And the
Bebop.
partner. Always partner.
Bebop.
Who make this crazy thing? He make the same.
Oh.
TPO. Why you make like this?
Who is that?
I know who this. Who is this?
Who is that ng EPO?
Why he make this the same name? By mistake you. Okay, then
Confusing.
I will make join. This is a very complicated. Okay, then I will put some date and where is org and some group
Wire.
wire. Where is the important?
PONR.
Quaming. What is the quantity? Quaming. Oh no, it's not here. It's not here. Something like this only. Then here also we need serial number. Is there the batch? No, I don't need the batch. Group.
Quaming.
Yes. Good. Lorito is learning better than Afra. What is quaming?
Yes.
What is quaming?
Quantity.
What quantity?
Sales.
No, what quantity? Tell us, Afra. What is quantity? Quaming. Nobody knows.
Order.
Order quantity means for the unit. Okay, we'll make it simple. And one,
Quantity. Sales unit.
that this is okay. don't need this. I don't need this. Okay. And we have this. Okay. Okay. Fine. What else? Cross client. Physical. So we have demo ADT. Hope this will work. Will this work?
Yes.
Will it work? Will it
Yes,
work?
it will work.
Simple one. Okay. Raw data. Wow. MashaAllah.
Oh, our
Alhamdulillah,
data.
it's working. Very complicated. Now, what's the next? Why? So we create already dictionary view. Rep of. I selected other studio because I don't have it in this version. So this is the name we will maintain across all. Oh, sorry. What did I do? Okay. Next subject is this done. It's loading in my other screen. Sorry for the delay.
Dictionary view, huh?
Yes.
Client 400, right?
This is, we will put dev 400. Now, here is the 400 that we created. You have this already, Mr. Lorito?
Yes, yes, I got
The system.
yes.
So from here, I will log in my sub login, and I forget.
Same with your,
God,
I think
why?
this is the same with your sub GUI, right?
Yeah, yes, yes. And I'm not using sub GUI, that's why.
Back out again.
Incorrect. So let us
Reset password.
reset again. Okay. Last for new one. 30. Okay. So we are inside. Since you have already made the favorite package, which is 0Z001. So I will put this also, right?
It's 00.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Put it.
Z001.
What
This
is
is
it?
the customer development class. This is the package where we are
We are
putting
creating the,
yes,
yes,
custom objects of ABAP.
the
ABAP.
dictionary view. Yes.
Yes. So
For
how?
this one.
So right click here. Depends where you want to right click. If you start from here, give this one. Or start from here, dictionary, you can have it also.
This is 001. How this manually configured?
This is created already for us. It's maintained
No,
already.
how to add in the Google?
How to add? Okay, that's you go to the system library. Okay, from here
Okay, 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 okay.
you will find it. It's a
Yeah, yeah.
big list. You have to find that one Z001.
Okay, okay, okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it.
Got it.
Got
I'll
it.
have. Yeah. So here, let's dictionary. We'll create dictionary view. So I will make it the same. So it will not be complicated for me. I'll make the same name in the ABAP
Nano
object.
model.
Okay. This is the ABAP name, and
Okay, okay.
I will retrieve the HANA view, the same name, and I will put here demo for EDT for HANA view EDT. Any question? No question. Why it's the same? Next.
The project name is different, right?
Project is just your local computer and everything. Why it takes time? My voice is so low. Okay, here. This is step 2. We'll create new transport request. Correct? He asked now, system asks you selection of transport request. We don't need to use existing one.
Yes.
We create new one. You will say here ITSM blah 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 standard request description. We have ITSM number 123. The description is this demo. Okay, continue. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Continue,
yes,
sir.
yes. Okay.
Finish. So my mistake. I said during saving. It's not during saving. It's during creation. It will ask for TR. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Anyhow, we it will save. It is saved already, and we will activate because this is not activated yet.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Activate. You'll find here some activation for demo edit is successful. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Okay, sir. Now next, it is there. We will check if it is there in 400 or anywhere. It's cross client. How to check?
Cross client means we can view it in a different
Anywhere.
server. Okay.
Yes.
Different server client
Cross
then.
client means within the server only. Either you go
Not.
to the 200, 400,
Okay.
100, any 100.
Okay, okay, okay.
SE11 I will use. Then I will put the view display. I have these fields. I will check my record. For example, 200 records only. And it is working. Okay.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What is next?
Creation of a query.
Query. A info set. Okay. Using SQ02. Okay. SQ02. Global. Should go to environment.
Environment.
Query areas. Then standard. You are with me? Yes, sir. Choose
Why select standard, sir, by the way?
standard. This is the area of the environment you are working. It's a client specific or it's a global area.
If we choose
Uh,
global area,
Global area mostly is not used for, I never use it. And mostly standard are there, standard queries. I think you can use it. I never tried it also before. Anyhow, we use standard.
yeah, okay, okay.
There's a
Standard.
different effect in global area, by the way. Different effect, different behavior, system behavior to the query. You can hear my voice clearly, right? Because my
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
microphone
Very clear.
is. Anyhow, we'll continue. So we will create an info set. For me, I use the same name. So I will not get confused. What is the name of this and that? Create the name, same. Then I'll put directory from the table. Then accept. And I will select all table fields. And then, oh good. I have less fields.
So to rename.
So rename this one just to whatever you want to name it. This is what? Somebody
This
tell
is,
me what is this
yes,
one? What?
Rebellion is
What?
sales order.
I will kill you. Is it?
Wait, wait. Like
Sales document.
Says
sales
the
document.
says order. Just a minute.
Sales
Yes.
order. Yeah.
Yes. Fine, Mr. Basil.
Peter, just
Yes.
one small question. For the entry adjustment dashboard,
Yes.
you build based on the product group what you will put figure, yes?
Yes, including metal.
Metal which metal?
You give 4 metal something.
3 metal.
3 or yeah.
Lead oil.
Huh? I couldn't. No, there is a copper, something like that.
No, okay, come on.
I will check again. I could not. But we checked it already. Why you are asking?
No, because there's the deviation between the adjustment file from system and dashboard. What I observed there.
What adjust? 1 minute. What adjustment file in the system? Where you get this one? Yeah, yeah. But what I have written is only as per your request. So
I
if,
know, I know.
if something is not.
I'm confirming the file which we agreed for the raw material.
Okay.
Can you give?
I have a meeting now. Right now, I'm discussing with Lorito and Afra for the reports. Give me some, maybe 30 minutes back. I'll come back to you. Okay. Okay. Sales order. Nah. Date. What is this date? Mission date. I don't know. It's correct or wrong. Anyhow, this is only a demo, right? And this is what?
Record.
Or is that? Organization, something?
Sales.
Trace org. Why this one is always calling me?
Attack.
Yes, Basil.
You remember we make one document dashboard material efficiency for folder. That the logic how to build and from where to get data. Can you send me a latest update? Because what I have is the old one.
No, we have it with the mark yellow, something like that.
Yeah, but mark is zero, but still for adjustment to be provided by committee.
Yeah, that's the old one. We need to update.
Yeah, but
Okay, let me update. Yeah, I will give it to you. This one really good, very good. Okay, I will stop from here. Okay, it's not relevant. So here we have this, what we want to include. Okay, maybe I will not include this. So I can remove this one in the group. Only this I need. So that's an example also, right? Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir. So this is, let's try to put this one, sales item, make it, okay. And this is material number. Yes. Then this is what unit. And this is the what? Order quantity.
The quantity.
Okay. What is next? I will save it. Back.
We can
Generate.
focus.
Now it's okay. We have the info set. What is next? Either you go to SQ01. Oh no, info set assign to user group. Let us assign this one. Or you want to make new user group or make or assign.
Make new user.
Let's just make new user group. So it will be, you can come in this area. You can go to this environment and user groups or SQ03. Same time. SQ03 is the same. Okay. Then standard area should be there. Let's try to put DDT demo user group. So create description. Okay. Assign users. I'll put my user and other user, blah, blah, blah. Assign info sets. I will assign the Z. What's the name?
DDT.
Hmm?
Then what?
The demo EDP.
Here. Right. Save it. Okay. It's there already. Then next, you can go in the same SQ03 and you can go to here directly, query, right? So we've done this info set. We have done with the user group. We are now in number 5. Create subquery report query using info set. The info set. What using? Using SQ01. So we can go here, queries, or
SQ01.
SQ01. Same. So what's the use of the user group? So that you can access your info set from. So first thing here is okay. Automatically doesn't change. From here, other user groups. You have ADT demo here, right? Because every user group will have different objects. If I open the ZHANA, this is the queries, and these are the info sets. If I open ADT user group, I don't have anything yet, correct? If I choose another one, let's say PPAPO, I will have this one. This queries with the info sets. Any question? No question, sir. It's okay, continue. So I will make a query. I'll put the same Z ADT demo, something like that.
Demo.
Like that.
Ano? Z demo edit yan.
Ah, okay. Not get confused. That. Then you will create it. It will ask you for the info set. Here,
So always the same.
if you did not find any info set, what was the reason?
You didn't create.
One is you did not create the info set. Second is what?
Wrong. Wrong group. You put it wrong group.
You put it in the wrong group, or you did not assign the info set to the user group. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah. You create an info set. Sorry. You create an info set. Here, you create user group and assign the info set. Correct?
Okay.
So we'll make it create user group and assign the info set. Correct? So if it not appear, if there are no any info sets here, means you did not assign anything to that user group. Clear? Clear. Clear, sir. I will double click. Now it's time to continue. Put the same. Sorry. Demo ADT.
Yes.
Then I'll go continuously. Generate table view. Next, I will select all. Next, I will put selection of the time, the org, the material. Okay. Basic list. By the way, there are a lot of things you can do here also. Huh? You did not explore this. Sa?
Okay.
Yes.
I
know
know.
only
I know.
filter and
I know you are not exploring. Afra, you said what you are telling?
I said only I know this.
You did not explore this one, huh? You did not explore this coloring and this and that. Making color of the columns. Okay. I will save it.
What, exactly.
For what? Exactly.
Colors.
You want to make a color of column. You want to make column, whatever, rounding. Many things will happen here. Test it. Variant. Okay. Now we have our query. Okay. Okay, sir. Save.
Okay.
No, this is variant saving. Okay, we'll make later. So what is next? We already have the query. We already have the set.
Decode.
Import.
Import.
Okay. So before we import, we will check what is inside our transport. This one, right? Open it. I only have one object, which is the dictionary view. Correct? This is the dictionary view. You are with me?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
You understand this one? Why, huh? Why this came up during the
Why?
creation, huh?
Dictionary view. Yeah.
During the creation of dictionary view. I'm just trying to show to you that there is an object already here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we will import you.
Q02.
Where we are? Number
Q02. 6.
6. So we will import this. Okay, where is the import here? Select this one, copy. Oh, there's a truck of the courier. Logistics. Okay, transports. So make sure it is import. Then test run if ever.
No need to select standard.
Sorry.
No need to select the copy standard.
No.
Below import. No need.
Here we'll put the query. First thing we need to do the import of transport of user groups. Okay. User group is what?
Demo.
You remember? I cannot remember also.
EDT demo something.
ADT demo user group. So we'll put ADT demo. We'll import. Oh, export. Sorry, I'm wrong. Export. So this one.
No, import. Export.
Export is going out.
Going out to.
Going out from the system. Import means you will import in and you will enter it in the system.
Put it inside. Okay.
So export. I will try.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay. User group. Okay. If I select here, I will lose this user group.
So it will be one at a time.
Yes.
Okay.
There are two things will happen here. Either you export the info set and queries and manually create the user groups, or make the user group first. Then so things will happen is that you will have to transport. Yes. Okay, let's try this one.
Okay.
Export. Okay. Then it will ask you, this is what I'm saying. You will use the own request now because you don't need to create new one. So this is our object, our transport request.
If I select the very top,
So
is it okay?
it's okay also. So this has been transported. We will try to export also the other one if it will accept, but before I have No. What is that?
Team
Z.
underscore ADT. Demo.
That.
Demo underscore ADT.
Oh. That. And the query. Same. Okay. Let's try. It will accept. So immediately he put the last. Okay, it's the same, right?
Yes.
See, already contains transport data set. So let's make it later. Okay, so it means you have two. So we cannot do this one. So I'm wrong. Here we'll put the user group only. Yeah. Think maybe. Okay. New. Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
sorry.
Okay. So what will I do? I'll do the same.
So you need to transport first or make new one
No
transport?
problem. You can make new TR.
New transport.
Yes. New. So I'll put the same. Two. Put like this. So I have two already. So I have this info set and I have query. The first one is the user group.
Yes.
Okay. What's next? The
Code.
code. So this is another challenge. What is the T code? Yes. What's the T code for creating transaction new transaction code?
Okay.
SE93.
It's A93, yes.
It's not listening anymore. No.
Salah.
Salah maybe.
She went for Salah?
Maybe. She went for lunch.
No, I'm there.
Z demo DT. Okay, I'll make the same just for our demonstration. But first thing I need a parameter. I cannot remember all the parameters. So what I would do, I will copy from the other parameters I had.
Yes.
Okay. For example, this is the okay. I'll display it. This is the parameter what I'm saying talking about. Oh. I'll copy this one. I'll put it somewhere here. So here we need the, what is this? This is the query Z demo ADT and
User group.
ADT. Is it?
Yes.
Maybe. We'll make new one. Okay. Create transaction with parameter. Oh, description. Just demo program for EDT. Then transaction is start report, skip initial, screen is 0, 0, 0. So it will be available. Now here we need to add those parameters.
The standard parameter.
It's for making a report. How I find this one? It's secret. EQ. Why we inverse this? Get confused now. Okay, let's try to save it. And it will ask you for the package. So the package is what? Z
underscore
001.
demo ID. Huh?
Z001. Okay, save it. It will ask you for transport. I will put this in the
Number 2.
in the number 2 because our query is there. Anywhere you can put it there. Okay, save it. Oh. Okay. Okay, now we will try it. If it is working. Oh, it's working. Oh, it's working. Okay.
Congrats.
Now let's take a look at our transport request. What happens? You have two now, the first and the second. The first, what we have is
Review.
this is related to the user group. Whenever there is an AQ, okay, this is related to ABAP query. Okay. Then you have the dictionary view. Dictionary view. Now more clear, huh?
Yes.
Now this one, if you see, it's outside also. This is what? EQ again. Okay. This is the containing the query and the info set plus the transaction code. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What's next? Otherwise, it will become an error, right? HANA views.
HTTS, HTA.
I will put the HANA view on the first one. Why?
Because of
Or where will I put the HANA view?
with the dictionary view.
Along with the dictionary view. Otherwise, your dictionary view will not be activated because there is no object. There's no HANA in class. So 3.6 or 3.7. So how to do it?
SCTS.
Is one. Now I will put this object. Oh no. PP module. Oops. Sorry. Package name. No. Here you go. PP module under. You can select this one, but it will be a huge display. Or you can put the whole
Z underscore demo editing.
what is that? Yeah.
Demo editing.
Dummy,
Dami.
right? Demo editing. So let's say put will find anything. Doesn't find. Will not find anything. PP module. Why is that? Also,
You are in depth.
yes, there you go. So under PP module, I'll put one more dummy. Is it? Include. Yeah, correct. If you noticed, the one with changes will be automatically selected. So you have to be careful with your transport here. Huh? Otherwise, you are bringing unnecessary objects to the production. It's very critical. So,
Okay, sir.
okay, I will deselect and I will select only this. If it is new, then you can select all. New object, a new package. Since we put it in the existing package, okay, I'll include this one. Maybe it's not there in class. This is the package dummy. It will create dummy and the demo app. Okay, I will take synchronization. It will ask me where. I don't want the second one. I need the first one. Okay, now let's take a look at our transport. First one, I have this, always this ABAP queries outside. See here, single object and package metadata. This is the dummy package, and this is the calculation view. This is the dictionary view. We are all set.
All set. Yes.
Release.
Release
They're all set.
transport.
So sequentially we have to do it. So we start with the first one. Release from here.
Releasing will be from bottom to top.
Yes. Yes, of course. Otherwise, prerequisite will not be there. Then release here. Okay. Then I will release this also. See, it's not here anymore. It will go to the released list. Done. It's not here. How to see? How to check? Here, released. Released when? Let's say yesterday, so it will not be a huge, and I will only release. See, I have to check mark. Next, import. Cas. Is it? Is it import to class? This one we will not do. We will not do this one.
This basis.
James, It's the same activity. It's the same activity.
Okay.
It's the same object. It doesn't mean that you will transport to Quas and because you need to transport the Quas so that you can transport to PRD. No, it's not. You can transport to PRD without importing to Quas.
So from dev directly to production is okay.
You can do it. You can do it. But the thing is, you need to check. So how you will check? You need to import the Quas just to check.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Here,
sir.
which the code TMS. Cora is not listening, so we will not answer any question now. You need to refresh. You need to put your user here. Refresh it.
How you identify, sir, the
Your here. See,
triangle? Ah,
trying diamond. No
diamond.
import steps, bro. This is a basis job, not our job. But we are just doing it so that you will understand.
So it
And
means that
we are
the diamond is pending.
not yet imported.
Not
No
yet.
import
Okay.
steps performed. And here, if you see,
It's green.
to be imported.
Ah, okay,
This one
okay.
is ready import again,
Okay.
means it has been imported. And here it's okay, means imported. This is error, error.
Mm-mm.
This is some warning only. Let's try one.
So from
Okay.
top to bottom again, huh? From
Of
bottom to top.
course, it should be sequential always. Sequence. Okay, proper sequence is the key.
Okay.
Import to 100. Synchronous. Accept. Fire. Fire, yes.
So it's 100.
Alhamdulillah, it's
Oh,
okay.
no
No
error.
error. No error. Okay. But remember in ABAP query objects AQ, you
Mhm.
need to import it also in the ABAP query environment. What does mean? What does it mean? I will copy this one. Copy it. Now I am in Quas, right?
Yes.
I'll go to what is the content of that? That is user group, if you remember,
Okay.
right? It's the user
Yeah.
group. So I will go to the SQ02 and environment standard. I will go to the transports. Then I will put here import.
Mm-hmm.
Then I will put the yeah
User group.
and the data sets with imports. The transport request number. Okay. Test run. See user no assignment to demo group user group the imports. Okay. So
Because there is no user group yet, right? In this
yes,
class.
yes, because there is no. If there is, there's no need.
Okay.
Because we intentionally. So I will make it final. Okay.
Okay.
Now it is successful. We will check. I'll go to the user groups. I will look for my user group.
Demo editing.
It's not there.
PDT demo.
Where is it? Should be somewhere.
Yeah,
Okay.
EDT.
Oh, Alhamdulillah. Okay, display should be user here. It's not assigned. Anyhow, leave it for now. There's no assignment. If something is not right, we'll just correct it. Then next, import the second one. Import. Now the selection is the same. Hmm. Afra and Salah? Okay.
I think maybe yes.
Yes.
No, I'm here.
Oh, you're not making Salah?
Not
A
yet.
prayer? Okay. Any questions? Any doubt?
Mm,
So
Okay, it's successful.
far,
It's successful. It's green. Then we will check again. Here, you need to import again. Huh? But we need this one. The transport request. So again, transfer. This is one. Import, right? Import. And here we put info set and the queries. The transport request. Test if you want to test to show what will happen. So it will import the the demo ADT info set and it will assign the user group. Correct? Then import the query.
okay.
Go back. We'll run it. It's done. There's no error. Applied. Let's check user group demo. Oh, why there's no user? Anyhow, take a look at our info set. It's assigned. Huh? It's assigned. So I assume everything should be okay. Now let's try to run it. Z demo EDT. Wow. T code is there.
The report data.
Port is there. Successfully. Nothing to do. Import again in Prat. The same way how you import in quality.
Quality.
Any questions?
Variant.
Variant is another thing. By the way, this thing, this one, all sub query, ABAP query report. Sorry, this is ABAP query. All ABAP query reports objects can be made in PAS, but the problem is you need that in your T code. You need the query because you are calling it. You can directly make this in the quality. In some companies, they don't allow to make in the quality or prod.
Always in them.
Always in dev, and you have to push it Khwas and Brad. Now, are you going to variant or are you going to the update?
Update first, update.
Okay. Updating HANA model. And what are the conditions?
Adding new fields.
What the conditions that you need to update the ABAP report.
Adding new fields.
Adding new fields.
And removing fields.
No, not yet. What you need now?
Check the material group, what we select there for.
We cannot pause the recording.
Can you see me the list of that with IO? You remember this with
Just a minute. Can we pause the recording?
Okay. Sure. You can continue later.
We can continue.
No
need
need to
to
cut.
repeat.
No need to cut. Just pause.
Okay.
Pause it.
No,
You
there's
can.
no pause. Only stop.
Okay, it will not take little time. It will not take
Okay.
time.
We'll wait.
I will add you, Basil, in our meeting.
Team or Zoom?
Teams. I will add you now because we are in the meeting now. I will add you temporarily. How to add? How to add? Will make crazy. You will destroy our. You will destroy our meeting. He's here. Basil.
Yes.
Yes. Tell me what is that?
Can you open the material group which we agreed for adjustment, material adjustment?
Material group for adjustment.
Can you copy that file and send me, please?
Sure. Just a minute. Not.
Because we didn't update the document, by the way, huh?
It's my. Ah.
Yeah, Peter, this is the old one.
Yeah. I will update this one.
Yeah,
But what? This is okay, right? This is okay.
now everything is okay except this inventory adjustment. I believe what we have to change the
Yeah.
material
Here.
group.
You need to
Yeah.
change this one.
Yeah,
Problem.
but
No problem.
can you show me the Excel file what we agreed for the material group consider for adjustment?
Inventory adjustment. Better I will take from the actual.
We should remove the metal, by the way, only. Cover aluminum only need to be removed.
Adjustment. Where's adjustment? Oh. No. Where is it? Oh, I got. Oh. Okay. Scrap. Where is inventory? Inventory is there. Oh. I get confused now. Oh, I'm crazy. It's old. Looking at dev. I wonder why there is no inventory. Not catalog. Look at this, yeah, Loreto, huh? Material efficiency. Okay, I have this inventory models. So inventory, we have this product inventory material group. So we have the existing material group from the list that we have. I give to you last meeting, plus these four.
Take out
Which one to be taken out?
raw material, aluminum rod 14 alloy, and to take out and add only the group for ingot.
Ingot is there already included in our standard material group.
Okay, take out then raw material aluminum, this rod 12, 14, alloy, and cover rod. Take out, please. Take out.
Oh, so you will remove all of this?
Yeah, because this is the strategic material MI for metal, yes? There is no adjustment required for this material because we are providing the plan and the actual, yes?
I don't know. It's up to you. I can remove it
No,
now.
take out, please, take out.
I'll remove this one. So everything in our material group that I have sent to you recently will be included.
Can you send me the material group what we agreed? I have material group. I have it.
The recent one. The recent
Yeah,
I give to you.
I have one. I have that
The one
one.
in
Yes.
the one in the
Yeah.
sent.
Okay.
That is including the material number. Not
yeah,
only
material number, and we add one group for ingot lead. Huh?
yeah, it is there already.
Yes.
So I'll remove this one, huh?
Yeah, remove.
Sure.
100%.
Okay. So it's purely material group only. The one. No additional. It's the same material group in our strategic raw material.
Okay.
Correct?
With indicator with I, huh? I, that
Yes,
means
yes,
the material which
yes.
is going to be a good issue, huh?
Input, yeah, yes.
Input.
Correct.
Can you send me that table define in out?
I can have this one. I can give you, but there's a little confusion in this in SE16, and you have this one, right? And that is ZPP. No. This one, product type.
Okay.
So here, you see these technical names are there, but when you display it, it is maybe I will use 16 only.
We don't have access for SE16. Only 16N.
Oh, these titles here are wrong. See, because it's not intended. Anyhow, use you have this is 16N, right? The same. Position number, leave this one. No need because this is system wise. But this is the sequence of the field name, okay? So forget these field names here on top. So you have all of this.
View.
So
Dito ka
mute
punta
the
sa
Lord.
Wait lang.
Lord mute. Okay, so this is used in both production. What is it? Production dashboard. Huh?
Yeah, same.
Is F1, this and that. This is output and this is input.
Okay, but
All
but
yes.
for the output is for metal, yes.
Whatever. Maybe we have also mostly metal.
Okay. So I can refresh the dashboard and get the data, new data.
You can check now. 1 minute. Let me. I changed it already. I remove it. Okay. Let me activate. So this is excluding the.
Where's the product group? Yeah, better here. The
Where?
first, huh? 1 minute.
Yeah, when you start, you can see that one in the right. See this one on the screen? Because this is not properly made.
No, the point before we agreed for the material group, then we create a product group. Where I can find here the product group in this
Here.
SS16.
Second one. There's no table. I did not create table for the product type. Hmm?
تفضل ريح شوي جايب معك مصيبة ها
It's okay, Basil.
يا بيتر.
It's okay now. You check. It's applied. It is applied already.
Okay, I will not waste your time more. I
I'm
will check
opening
if
it.
there's something.
I'm opening it. I don't know. It's.
Okay,
I just
because
want to check if something is wrong or what.
just show me May adjustment, how much the value. It should be higher than 22,000.
You can see the
or
screen, right?
20,000.
You can see the screen.
I can see, I can see.
Okay. Oh, May
it's
is
coming,
Hmm?
coming minus 32. April 22.
Where?
Oh, there is some mistake. There is some problem there.
Where?
Still,
Adjustment 22. Why May is minus 32?
this I have to check why.
Hmm.
Are you sure you add the
Ingot?
no, not lead
Here, last.
in inventory adjustment? This is my
Yes.
point. Because you delete all the data
Metal.
from the
Yes.
formula.
Yes, that the one in the formula is the additional, which is not part of that group, which are the H1214 and I don't know.
Can you open again the formula? Check what we have there. This is the same material what we agreed for the.
Here, if you see here, I'm using the. Yeah, I just mark it I. Anything with I will be
What
considered.
is name inventory material group? The same what you show ZBB, this C69?
Yes, it's coming from here. Anything with I, it will be included. It will be like this.
Okay.
I.
Can I take more 5 minutes from your time?
Okay.
Go for
All of this.
copy material group,
Huh?
please. Okay.
What you want?
Guys,
Material number?
material number for this group.
Can hit from here.
No, I need from I want to check with you how much the value on the MB50 MB51. Get SA16 in, put Mara, put the material group there and get the material number, please.
There will
Remove
be
five
around
something.
300, around 300 something like.
Yeah, 300.
337, 357. Correct. It's the same.
Okay, why? Okay. Can you take the material number of this? You should go
Send-
send to Excel. Send to Excel.
Yes, yes. Oh, I don't have Excel.
No, you have. أيوة.
Oh, I did not open Excel.
Peter,
Mm.
sorry. Go again for dashboard. I know what the problem. Go dashboard again. Save this file and go dashboard. Select, remove the CI from here.
Oh, yes.
See, this is the point. I remember. How much will come?
3.
Correct.
April.
Correct.
Ah. So
This
you have
perfect.
issue.
This is the
20.
perfect value.
Perfect.
Yes.
But this 3.26 is what? Perfect or what? It's still running, huh? You don't have the June.
Because we don't add June, yes. And there is
So
no
look.
adjustment yet for this. Now
Okay.
it's perfect.
It's warm or what?
Now I can say thank you, Mr. Peter. See you later.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. Welcome.
Sorry, sorry for interruption. Thank you.
No problem. Okay, you can leave, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
No
Okay,
problem,
okay.
sir.
No need for this. So you saw it, Lorito. Where are we? Where are we? Mike, mute.
Changes this adding.
Ah, changes. Yes. Sorry. He needs this document. I did not update. Changes. Adding new fields.
And removing.
Removing. Price not here anymore. Of existing fields. What? Changing data types. Correct?
Field data types.
What else?
Apply new formula calculation.
No. That will be new field.
New field. Okay.
Formula can be logical. It means that you don't add field.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay. Okay. This.
Adding or renaming.
Yeah, renaming.
Correct?
Okay.
If logic change only, there's no need because the structure is still the same. Doesn't change. Doesn't affect the.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what to do? We'll copy here. Steps of. I start. How to start from 1?
Pins list.
1. Okay. Okay. So update now. Update HANA model. Then synchronize dictionary. Correct? It will create new transport also. Synchronize and activate. Then here, 2 things. Either you change from here or you change from the subquery, you can do it. But here we will do it here. Update info set. User group, no need. There's no need. Update update. Export. No need for this. There's no need. Code, there's no need because you have already the same query name.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Then include also HANA views because you have a changes. You have a changes in your HANA view. Release. I think these are all what they need to do. Correct?
Okay.
So let us try. So only two of us now.
I think yes.
Yes, only two of us. And he is in mute. Shall we remove one user here? Okay, let's try to do it. Update HANA models.
Yes.
Okay. I make, see,
Add,
it was not synchronized. I was working in them. I was wondering, where is the, where is that field? Oh my God.
and it's in production.
Yes, yes, the update was there. So PP module.
Dummy.
The funny thing is we are talking in English and there are two of us.
The same nationality. We are in a standard language.
Yes. Now where we are, sorry, I get
Try to update the
dummy,
existing
dummy,
one.
right? Dummy,
Yes.
and it is the demo ADT.
Yeah, we can
But
try.
the good thing is we can use this anywhere after our, right?
Yes.
Let
Yes.
us do many things. For example, I will I will rename Vibelin. Okay, I will rename it as sales order. Okay, so we have a rename. We have uh, a removal,
Yes.
and we will add whatever we want to add.
Since can we
Username.
add
Huh?
also new projection better?
Sorry.
Add new projection.
We can add whatever you add here or you add. It's the same activity.
Oh, okay, okay.
I will add. Either you add new projection. You are at the end. You are looking at the semantics that you have added one field here, right? You rename one field. Rename one field and you remove one field. Whatever happens in the lower area, you are looking at the semantics
Okay.
that you have changes here. It will not
Okay.
give you an error
Yes.
about the synchronization to ADT. I will activate this. Successful. Now you will see what will happen. So we have a sales order been changed and org has been removed and Ernam has been added and it is working model. Now let's take a look at ADT. So first step we have done.
Yes.
Okay, we have done all this one. Data type we did not do it. You want to do it?
Yeah. Okay. We can
Sure.
add.
So we can come back here. No. Data type. Mostly you need a formula because here we cannot change the data type. This is standard. You cannot change this one because this is standard. Unless you create a formula, then you can change the.
Data.
So we
Okay.
cannot do it now. We need to create a formula and it will be a new field only. It's not changed. Anyhow, that's the same effect.
Okay.
Okay. So next step is to synchronize and activate the dictionary view. So I'll open the other one. I'll close it. Okay.
Close everything. Close.
So let's go now to the dictionary view, which is created. Z demo ADT. So if I open this one, what will happen?
1 minute, sir. The screen is okay. Okay.
So if I open this one, what will happen? What does the system will do after opening?
It will take the new updates from HANA.
Correct? And it will give you an error.
It's not synchronized.
Yes, he's telling you that there are objects which are not available in your dictionary view. Correct?
Okay.
So he will tell you it's not synchronized. He advised you to synchronize and he will tell you which fields are not synchronized. I will open now. See, there are 4 items in the lower part. It will tell you that Ernam does not exist in the database, but not exists in the database means HANA, but not in the dictionary because this is a new. You know this one. Another one says order. This is from HANA. Does not exist in dictionary. If you see here, Vibelin is still here. This is the old fields. And then Vibelin exists in the dictionary, but not in database. See these two?
Yes.
So you understand what this means. And vcork is not exists in the dictionary. Dictionary means in the S4.
Okay.
But not in database. So you understand what does this means, this error.
Yes.
And you know, and you will not be scared. Oh, there is an error. Oh my God. You know it. You know it because you do the changes.
You do the error.
Yeah, you are the one who make that error. So if we will synchronize it, it will update all of this.
Okay.
Synchronize. See, most recent definition of the view will be retrieved from HANA repository. So it will be taken from HANA. Your manual changes will be applied and retrieve content. Yes. Now says order. vcorg is not there. Ernam is there. Okay. What's the next? You save it. Save. Then it will ask you for new transport. Correct?
Okay.
It will ask you because you are doing changes. Synchronize, save, and activate using our. We'll create new transport, right? So now, new quest, ITSM again, because there is a request from user that please add Bashar came. I need one field.
Correct.
So I'll put here 456. Then you will say here, adding new fields to ADT or what is that? Z demo ADT. Correct?
Correct.
Or you can put whatever new fields. Let's say you put Ernam. Okay. Not adding is updating
Update new thing.
fields to. So you can put here added whatever description you want. Your activities. Remove whatever is it. Okay.
Okay.
Then I'll accept. He will ask you what you did not do because the object is existing. He did not create new object. So here, package no need, because it will not ask you. The object is already available. You only change it. Now we'll work with this. So there's a lot of things to be done here. Here. So this is okay. Activate. Should come here. Activation. Let's go to the HANA.
Can we see first the error there in if
SKU.
you run the if you run the T code?
Okay, let's try to run.
Hi.
Good
Oh,
evening.
welcome back.
I used
So
to
this
in Basil
this is the
Cave.
error. This is the example error encountered by Opera before.
Yes. You know what is the
But
error? You know why. So Afra, can you explain?
The
No.
error.
Lorito, explain to Afra why.
there is a synchronization error in the T code. I mean in the report query report from the HANA database. We have changed field
Very
name, rename, and added new field.
Ah,
So what he has done is
so we need to
And
update.
the old, what happens here? Explain, yeah, Lorito, what happens here? Sales
yeah,
order
we
is
rename
the original field was Vibilin.
Bibilin.
So
Yes,
we changed it to sales order.
Okay.
Then we remove
T
the
code.
org, Vic org.
Hmm.
So it's not here anymore.
Okay.
And we added Ernam
Ernam.
also. So if you notice, Ernam is not in the error because it's adding,
Hmm.
right?
Okay.
Here,
Yes.
Vicorg, he complained about Vicorg because we remove Vicorg there.
Yes.
Does not have. Does not have. Okay. That is sample. You're that's right. You're right, Lorito, to check and to see what
Yes,
will be
yes.
there.
This is the business perspective view from the
Yes,
program.
correct, correct. Now we already synchronized the dictionary view with the HANA view. It's done. It's activated. It is saved, activated, and it is already
Update.
created a new transport
New
request.
transport.
Next step, update your info
Right.
set. Okay. Now we'll go to
SQ. So
so what will happen now? If I click change, what will happen?
will show error.
What is your expectation? An
Will
error will
show.
come.
Yes.
Show you an error. See, due to changes in above dictionary. Okay, I will tell you why. The
Different.
dictionary has been changed. If we come here,
Yes.
11, and open this one, this has been changed already, correct? We changed, we renamed this one. We added and we removed one field.
Confused.
So of course, this is not synchronized anymore to your info set. Your info set was having the old fields. So
Yes.
do you want to edit without adjusting it first? Let us try, no? What will I do? I would like adjust it. More function, adjust. See, Bibilin and Vcode came up.
Hmm.
Okay, there's a function of adjust here. It is saved. I'll check it again. It's the same error. What happened? It did not do anything, huh?
Why it didn't do anything? You click already adjust.
Yes. See, we can have delete text fields here.
Okay.
There's many ways how to do it. Either you go here or you can change it directly and accept it.
Click yes.
See, we'll come here. This is manually done. Now we have new fields. This. So what's the problem now? What do
Need,
you expect?
need to rename that.
I expect a problem here. I expect an error after we change this. Why?
Yeah, you need to add the new fields, huh? The,
No, no, no. The adding of new fields is okay, but
no, I mean
removing
the black
fields,
ones.
You need to
removing
remove the B chord.
removing fields are problem.
There still exists B chord,
What else?
and
Yeah, you need to remove it from the field group, صح?
From here,
Yes.
yes.
okay. It is
What
says.
is it?
I know this is
In
Bibilin, right? Bibilin.
PKR, guess.
No, you need to add that black
So I will
black
remove
text.
this one.
No, not that
Not
one.
this one.
I will add this one.
Yes, but
Okay. Let's say
rename
I will
first.
put like this. It will be an error. Okay. Then I will add it here. Now I
No,
will have two.
remove the old one. Yes.
I will remove the old one
Yes.
Mm.
And VKR
and
also.
and there is an error.
But remove VKR. Where is it?
Wiki org, where is it? Here. There's an error. Think.
Queries. You
Yes.
need to update first the query.
Because the query
Still
is
active.
dependent. Query is dependent to the info set. So you cannot touch the info set now. You have to go back to the query first and remove those fields that he is using.
Yeah, because query is active.
Yes.
Yes, it's active.
Cannot
So I
change
cannot do
anything.
anything. I have to go to the query. Okay. He will give an error. Here. I will remove this one and cork. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Yes. Yes. Problem. Now here, it's removed already. It's not used. Okay. I will save it. It's saved. I'll
Go back to info set now.
display again. Oh, no, I mean info set. Just want to make sure query is okay by now. Oh, why is still saying Bibilin is there? Bibilin record.
We need to remove it from here, صح?
I remove it already. It's removed already. It's not here. I think we can go back to the. Should be removed already. Okay, save it. Let's try in the info set now. Remove this one and record. Okay, I will not add now. I'll just save it. Let's try to look at the query, how it looks. I think it's okay. It's not there anymore.
So they are independent.
Yes. See?
They are dependent each other.
Dependent. Now we'll go back to the query and rectify This.
The changes.
This is not added, right? Because
Yes.
these are new, considered new. This, no need for this. I didn't use this one, right? Here name is new. We did not add all, right? If I remember.
Yes.
So let's say I will add this here, and I will add the num, which is newly requirements. Okay.
Okay.
Let's save it, generate, and I have to go back to the query, change it. Yeah, see? Now here sorting is up to you. You will sort it properly or you sort it in the layout. So what is next? Check it's working or not. Oh, it's working now.
Working.
When we make a demo, it is working, huh? When you
Yes.
do the live one, there will be an error. Afra will start to scratch her head.
Yes.
Oh, Peter, help.
There's a live error.
Okay, now export.
For
We'll come back the same activity. So it's the same here. We already have a transaction,
yeah.
right? We
The
make
first
one.
one. Yeah.
Export.
Synchronization.
No need for user group because it's already there. So again, it's the same. Okay.
That's why it's all the same name because of this.
Yes, it will be easy for you. No need to memorize how this, what's the name of this and that.
Only one word. Okay.
So our own request. This one already 5, 4,
Mhm.
4, 5, 6, right? Okay. Next. Done. Now include the HANA view because we changed the HANA view also.
Yes.
So the same. If you see now, see it's yellow. It's not green because we make some changes. I'll remove this one. See, this becomes yellow triangle, not in sync. Okay, only this. Make sure only this. Others no need to. Otherwise, it will come.
Does it, if you select the headers, the
It will import
package,
again. It will import again there.
it will not duplicate?
No, it will not. It will overwrite.
Okay.
See, now it's green
Green.
because it's synchronized. Then it's next
Client 200.
release.
Release.
All set, huh? Nothing missed because once you release, done. Cannot go back. So let's see 09. How many objects we have? This one. We have ADT. No, sorry, AQ,
3.
which is the info set and the query changes. Then we have the dictionary view changes. Then we have the HANA view changes. See why I'm teaching this one so that you will understand what's the content of your transport. These are the changes that will happen in the quality. Any question? Transport now. Release, sorry. Release. Okay. Now,
Release
yeah.
and exported. Okay.
So we'll apply the now what we'll do, we'll go down. You will not see anything. You need to refresh.
Uh-huh.
Then you will have new object. You'll make paper, blah, blah, blah. James import. Okay, please import. What he will do, he will just come here and check this is correct. And he will import this one.
Click the
100. Then synchronous. Make sure you are clicking the right.
transport request.
What will happen if you mistakenly import the older one?
It will apply
The
the
changes
old
of the
one.
old one.
The old one.
It
Yeah.
will return back to the old version.
Yes.
That's why you have to be careful. Now, what is next?
Transport to production. Test.
We missed here. Import sub above report objects. Missed this one here. SQ02. Correct.
Yes.
So we'll come back here. We'll copy this one. Copy this one.
Import the objects.
SQ02. And standard area. Import. Move test. Info set queries. And put the
Import.
transport request.
Transport.
Okay, because it will not affect the query changes. Run. See, everything, no error. What is this missing? Oh, because he's applying it. He's applying it. Oh, overwrite. We did not select overwrite. This is good example. So we have to overwrite it. Overwriting allowed. Okay. It will overwrite the existing object info set. The changes. Let's try again. Now he is comparing. Cancel. Cancel. Why? Warning. Overwritten. Okay. Failed. Let's see what happened. Oh, error is there. Why? It did not take effect. The changes. Did we do right? There's no layout. Let's try this one. Interface queries. 540. Is it? Maybe we copy wrong. This one. Correct. Let's try it. It's the same.
Same error.
Replace.
Unable to look black info set.
So there's another way if something is coming like this. you can edit directly the query.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And assign.
No. Adjust it manually here. You know what I mean? Adjust it. Let's try the query first. Maybe you need to adjust the query first. I've not experienced this before. It's failing. Did anything is running?
I think the T code is running.
Anything
code?
goes running? I don't know. Nothing is running.
Okay.
Okay. You can fix it manually also. It is not working at all. You can fix anyhow. You can fix it here as long as the dictionary view is available.
Mm.
Let's take a look at this dictionary view. If it is updated, just to make sure. So it's updated.
Yes.
Can you update it, Lon?
Update.
Request control. You rectify the problem of query in quality. This is quality, right? So start with SQ01 and adjust it. It's not, I don't know why it's not working well. Yeah, this is, so start with SQ02. Just, I'll take like
Reason. SQ02? SQ01. Hmm? This updated.
sorry. There is a one way also for importing, exporting.
Okay.
I'll
I
show you.
didn't I didn't do anything yet.
No problem. We'll try that one. So this is second 02. So I'll go to development. This is 400 SQ02. This is transport also same. Now I will do download and upload functionality. This will not go to the transport. Okay, let's say download. Okay, but it will not work with this functionality also, because this is only for import export. But we need only to copy that. We don't have variants, we don't have layout, right?
Yes.
So I don't know this. Okay, upload is there. Okay, fine. So download means you will export it. So I need to download this.
Download in your local
PC
PC.
file,
Okay, okay.
not transport. Okay, download it. So I will say that this is let us say demo PDT. Okay, save now. So it will contain the group and everything. I go back to the pass quality.
Quality.
Go here. Same here. Upload, right? Then overwrite. See, overwriting is including the upload functionality. This one. Test it or what? Live it.
Keep it live.
You can test it. You can. Let's take this one. And where is the file?
Demo editing.
Allow it. Oh,
Still field missing.
still the same error. Huh? You cannot do those activities, type of activities.
I guess
It's
yeah, I
complicated.
can.
It is complicated for him because you have to delete.
He
That,
doesn't know how to override.
yes.
This
Please.
is a bug from SAP.
Yeah.
This is money.
Then in that case, we have to
Manual.
manually do it.
Yeah, it's not updated.
Still there, still old. You can
Mm.
continue.
Okay.
So you want me to do it to make it
I
faster?
will. I will. I will wait.
Okay, ask for.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Just put
Yes. Yes. Next. Basic
save.
list. Basic list. It will be corrupted. Okay, that's fine.
Public color.
It's okay. Check everything is there because it's removed. Save it.
Okay. Remove. Remove. Save. Now we can upload.
Oh, I think so.
You try.
Save it.
Yeah. Yeah. Save already.
Close it. Close it. Back. No, no, up. This arrow up.
Okay.
Transport. Transport. Here, here, here. Here, transport.
Ah,
Yeah. Upload. Yeah. Space. Space.
good. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
This
important.
operator.
Info set. Huh? Just because of the query. Crazy.
Okay. So
Go
let's
back.
test.
Let's check. No, check your query. Info set. Can you open it? Display it. Here, here, here. It's there already. Info set display.
Play.
Yes. Check this right side. So he renamed it also.
Need to rename.
It's renamed already. It's updated. It's okay. Go to the right side to the field group. Oh, it's added. Their name also is added. Go back. Check your query. If it is updated. Queries. No need. Environment. Environment. Queries. Query down.
Icon.
Yes. Open. Display. Next. Next. Yeah. Next. Now it's there already. It's fine. It's updated. Basic list. Okay, open the program. Yeah, it's there. Run the program. Oh God. /n. There we go.
Okay. Ready to import in production.
Yes. But you will face the same issue in production.
Because there
Of
is an
the query
existing.
issue, huh? Now you know what's the issue there, the problem. The query
Yes.
doesn't accept the
Will
changes.
because of
So,
query.
so I think that's a good.
If this will be transported to the production, the
Yes,
error will be rectified by basis, or will will do it?
you will do it. You just don't know about SQ.
So
Unless you,
James will come back to us, to or me or Afra, that it's having an error.
but make sure to remind James about the import in the query.
From
If he is
bottom.
if you don't have the access, let him import in the query. But I'm talking about the info set importing.
Yeah, from bottom to top.
This one,
Okay.
the import
Mhm.
using the transport request number,
Yeah. Okay.
correct?
Yes.
With the transport
Transport
request.
number request. We didn't use the TR we created from
That's
this,
an option. That's your choice.
so
It's
it's
the
fine.
same. Yeah, it's fine. It's the same effect. After you change the query
Mm.
manually, right? You remove it manually.
Mhm.
Then you can re-import it again. This it- it's the same effect.
Okay.
It's the same error, right?
Yeah.
It's the same error. So now next. Too much.
And we consume almost 6 hours.
Or we will save this one and we'll have a different topic in a different
Yes.
video.
Yes. Save the
Maybe our
computers.
next topic is what? Variants,
Yeah.
layout. I will teach you about variants and layout because this is important for the users.
Layout is the arranging the
Yes, because
reports.
users usually ask for a report. In fact, the report is there.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so we can close this meeting now and we'll have a
Yeah.
new subject.
Yes.
Okay.
Can we have a break?
No,
Lunch
no
break?
break for this. No break. Okay. Goodbye.
Okay. Thank
See
you.
you.
We come back after Afra, what time you free?
I don't know when.
Huh?
Come back after 30 minutes.
Afra will not come back.
Maybe.
Why?
You're
Yeah,
interested
I
in the
will.
subject or no need? No need is
I
okay.
will.
After 30
After
minutes, we come back.
30
No
minutes.
issues.
This is the subject, yeah? Next subject.
Yes.
Variants and layout. This is related to
Report.
above reports. Okay.
This is related to Mr. Tofik.
Whatever. Not only
Whatever.
Tofik, all,
Mm.
all people. Because
Okay.
whatever above reports you have, you will have variance and layout.
Good
This is
so
very
far.
important for you also, for all of us.
Yes. Okay.
Okay?
Okay, let's have a break.
Okay.
Then we come back
See
after
you, see
30
you then.
minutes.
I will go out first. You'll be the last.
Yes. To
Okay,
save.
goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
welcome. Bye.
Afra,